'cause I know that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I've left just to mess up.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year's. I hope you all enjoyed the holidays. On Christmas Eve, Kailey actually got the cold and then she passed it on to me and Aiden caught it a little bit. So today we are going to be cleaning and disinfecting all of Kailey's toys so that we can fully get rid of all the germs lingering around in her room. But before we get started cleaning the toys, I will be putting away all of the dishes and also cooking some beans. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, 'cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name. Can't disguise who I am when I am with you. My armor fell off 'cause your words got me naked, got me naked. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks of gone, can't let go. I go crazy when you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, 'cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, 'cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name.
Just get to know me. We can take this somewhere else. You and me can find ourselves. Stop pretending we are lonely. I can't call your bluff, 'cause I know that this is love. Can't pretend that you don't feel it. Be that thing that you missed. I know you can't resist. Let me make your life easy. I wanna be your company. I wanna be your company. let me out.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere.
And that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.